totoong gamot sa diabetes? Meron ba, Doc, na hindi totoong gamot? Ano ibig sabihin nun? Ang diabetes pala nagagamot. So many of you are aware na oo nga naman, syempre meron tayong mga tinitake na gamot sa diabetes, but is that necessarily the treatment? Dahil alam ninyo na advocate tayo ng nutrition. Anong uri ng nutrition? Low carb and fasting. Today pag-uusapan natin yan. Why is it na ito ang totoong gamot? So karamihan ng mga gamot na iniinom natin doesn't really address yung pinakasanhi. Ano ba yung pinakasanhi ng diabetes? And I'm talking about diabetes type 2. Pinakasanhi po ay lifestyle, right? This is something that you actually bring on to yourself by the choices that you make. So yun yung unfortunately binibigay sa atin na false hope na mga gamot ng diabetes is simply controlling the symptoms. And ano yung sintomas? Pagtaas ng asukal. So the control of that is addressed in many different ways through the various medications, pero hindi talaga yun ang pinaka-gamot po. Ang gamot, kailangan gamutin dun sa pinag-uugatan, sa pinagmumulan. When you get diagnosed with type 2 diabetes, huwag mawala ng pag-asa. Huwag mo sabihin sarili mo, wala na. For life na ito. Magme-maintenance medication na ako for life. So ito yung pinaka-problema sa lifestyle-related medical conditions. Iisa lang ang pathway. That is the pathway of insulin resistance. So ang insulin, ang pinaka-central hormone of metabolism. The more that you are eating foods that stimulate insulin, the more that you produce fat. Bakit mahalaga itong fat production na ito? Bakit ito ang pinupuntirya natin? It's because when you continuously produce more fat, then ang mangyayari magkakaroon kayo ng excess and magkakaroon ultimately ng resistance sa insulin pathway. Insulin resistance sets in, and the unfortunate thing about insulin resistance is it's the common pathway for all the diseases. Diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, fatty liver, PCOS sa mga kababaihan, memory losses later on in older age, so Alzheimer's, dementia, neurodegenerative condition like Parkinson's, for example. Kung may mga kakilala kayo who are seniors, it will be good na ibigay din ito sa kanila for prevention purposes. Cancer is also a metabolic disease. Keto, yung isang variety ng low carb natin, is already the mode of treatment para sa certain types of brain cancer, for example. So combination, certainly, low carb combined with fasting. Yun po yung ating totoong gamot sa diabetes, hindi gamot, kundi lifestyle modification. Ito ang magre-reverse ng diabetes ninyo. Sa gamot, it will never reverse. It will only keep it at bay, yung sintomas. And over time, as you continue with the lifestyle na lalo pang tumataas yung carb intake, walang kaalam-alam, then the more na lumalala ito. So, totoong gamot sa diabetes is really to change yung inyong lifestyle choices. Hindi lang naman yan nutrition din. Another thing that will reverse insulin resistance is movement. So exercise. Napakahalagang component nito. It improves insulin resistance. Siyempre, isama na dyan yung iba pang measures ng holistic wellness, the other things, right? Like proper sleep, stress reduction. There are all these other factors.